The year was 1775. 13 American colonies stood on the brink of revolution, their simmering grievances against British rule about to boil over. But there was a problem. While the colonists had militias, they lacked a unified professional fighting force capable of standing toe-to-toe with the formidable British Army. The spark came on June 14, 1775, when the Second Continental Congress made a daring decision. They established the Continental Army, appointing a tall, determined Virginian named George Washington as its commander. Washington, already a veteran of the French and Indian War, was tasked with turning a ragtag group of farmers, shopkeepers, and tradesmen into a disciplined army. The challenges were immense. Supplies were scarce, morale wavered, and many soldiers had never fired a musket before. Yet Washington's leadership was unshakable. He drilled his men relentlessly, instilled a sense of purpose, and convinced them that they weren't just fighting for survival, they were fighting for a new nation. Meanwhile, the Continental Navy and Marines were born. Tiny and outmatched by Britain's powerful fleet, they relied on cunning and audacity. They raided British supply lines, disrupted trade, and harassed enemy ships. Through countless hardships, the fledgling U.S. military grew stronger. It wasn't just battles that shaped them, it was resilience, unity, and a belief in the revolutionary cause. The victories at Trenton, Saratoga, and ultimately Yorktown proved that even against the mightiest empire of the time, a determined people could prevail. On the ashes of revolution, the U.S. military was forged not just as an army, but as a symbol of liberty and the enduring fight for freedom. It wasn't merely about soldiers. It was the birth of a nation's resolve to defend its ideals, no matter the odds.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.